Hello, good morning everybody. I am Dr. Narayan Rao, homeopathist, magnetotherapist and an author, okay? My 4 books are published in Kannada and one is published in Hindi and the other one is being translated to English by some translator. The name of the book is World is in Danger, What is the Solution? Okay. Here I want to say one of my remarkable achievement in practice field, in the medical field, okay. Such patients are very rarely available in the world. About what I am speaking, such patients are very rarely available in the world. Among 10,000, I feel there may be one such patient, okay? Among 10,000, there may be one patient. Nobody can sit nearby them. She had pussy cough. She had a pussy cough which had a dirty smell. Who cannot even sit nearby them and who cannot talk to them. In my practice, actually I saw only such 2 cases. In my practice, I saw such only 2 patients. One patient came to me and told, she was a female, she was a woman, she came to me and told, who had pussy cough of worst smell. She told to me that it is diagnosed as tuberculosis in allopathy. And 6 months medication is required. Maybe, whatever it may be, I don't want to explain anything about that. But maybe it is TB or anything. I want to let you know how I have cured it, okay? But here, patient was a lady and her husband decided to leave her and arranged for second marriage. Her husband arranged for second marriage and he wanted to leave his old wife, okay? See how chronic is the situation. Her whole life was going to be spoiled here. She came to me and realized the situation and started to cry. She started to cry. I told her, in one week the disease will be cured. And need not worry, need not cry. And I told her that I would see that her husband will never marry another woman or girl or lady, okay? And also I encouraged her, saying, after the perfect cure, I will talk to her husband, talk to her husband so that her husband will not commit second marriage, okay? Her husband will not commit second marriage. She bowed down to my feet and I told me that if happened so, I will be the God of her part. She told, if it is cured and her husband's second marriage is stopped, I will be the God of her part, she told, okay? I gave acid pus, sanguinaria and Calibicromica. Okay. And the result was so impressive that in 3 days her disease was cured. Later, as I promised her, I talked to her husband and he had withdrawn the commitment or his idea or his plan of second marriage. Okay. I want to proudly say this is a remarkable achievement in my life. So please, I request you all, be any chronic disease, you may hopefully contact me, and I say I am not giving treatment to the patient but giving them a new life. Okay. To those who come to me, I say I am not giving treatment, I am giving a new life to the patients who come to me. This is not self-appreciation. Please note, this is not self-appreciation. It is one of my remarkable achievement. So, maybe any disease, any chronic, even up to kidney fail, HIV, cancer, you may contact me, hopefully. Though I can't cure 100% or fully or completely, I can cure up to 50 to 75%. So, please contact me for any chronic disease. My WhatsApp number is, please note my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is +91 934 22 55 080. Oh, once again I will tell, my WhatsApp number is +91 934 22 55 080. Okay.